Hey, ever written a shopping list on paper? Then congrats, you already know about HTML lists. So let's bring that to code practically. So in HTML, lists are used to organize things, just like in real life. So think of groceries, daily tasks, movies name. So all these things can be listed. So let's start the video. So let's say you have a grocery list like milk, eggs and bread. So let's write that using HTML. So simply you need to have a UL tag. So this is the first type of list that we have in HTML. That is simply your unordered list. So simply a UL tag, then li. So li means simply list. So UL unordered with li as list. So simply first li for your first item, then second li for your second item. Then again one more li for your third item. That is simply milk, eggs and breads. So this is your unordered list. No numbering, just bullet points. So now let's imagine you have a recipe with steps like step 1, 2 and 3. So this time we will use ordered list. That is the second type of list that we have in HTML. So for ordered list, simply we will use OL tag. As for unordered list, we had UL. So simply for your ordered list, simply OL tag. Then again for list items, simply LI. So let's say your first step, as this is a recipe with steps. So first step, let's say simply your boil water. Then your step 2, let's say one more li for our second step. Let's say simply add pasta. Then again our step 3, then one more li. So let's say simply cook. So see, this is your ordered list with simply numbers. Perfect when order matters, right? So now let's say you have some terms that you need to explain to someone. So this time you will go for the third type of list in HTML. That is simply your descriptive list. So to have this, simply you need to have a DL tag for your descriptive list. Then here we have simply DT, that simply defines your term. Then DL, then DD, that is your description. So let's say we have the term as simply HTML, and let's say we have a description as structuring of the web pages. So let's say we have one more term. So again, DT for the term. Let's say this time CSS. Then for the description, again DD. Then let's say styling of the web pages. So see, this was the third type of list, that is descriptive list. So now let me take you one level up to have some customizations of this list. Like instead of this bullet points, that is circle shape, we can also customize this to square shape. And instead of this numbers, you can simply have ABC or Roman numbers. So let me show you that also. So to simply have the customization, you need to use a bit of CSS. So I hope you know about style attribute. That is your inline styling. How we add inline styling. So let's say we want to customize this bullet points. So simply in your UL tag, simply use a style attribute. Then simply a property, that is list style type. So see, you are getting this much options. So let's say instead of circle, we need to have square. So simply square. So now let's check. See, instead of circle, we got square, and we can remove this also. That is your square bullet points. So we can simply choose list style type as none to remove the styling. See, the square points got removed. So now let's customize our ordered list. So again, style attribute, then property, list style type. So simply lower alpha for your alphabets in lowercase. So see, we got lowercase ABC. Then for uppercase, simply instead of this lower, simply have upper. So you got capital ABC. So now you can simply have Roman numbers as well. So upper Roman, so you got uppercase Roman letters or Roman numbers. Then again, simply for lowercase, again lower. So see, so this way you can customize your list as well. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you all understood about the different type of list in HTML. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.